Good day mga boss! Welcome po ulit sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, we are going to discuss about the exact ODE or ordinary differential equation. Specifically, we are going to test for the exactness of the given differential equation and how to solve the general solution of the given differential equation. Are you ready? Let us start. So how are we going to determine if the given differential equation is exact? So we are going to use this formula. Partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to the partial derivative of n with respect to x. Where m here is the function with dx and n is the function with dy. And to solve for the exact ODE, you need to use the following formulas. So we have here the partial derivative of f with respect to x is equal to the function m with variables x, y, and partial derivative of f is equal with respect to y is equal to the function n with variables x, y, where f is the solution of an exact ODE. So meron po ako dito mga boss a problem para mas maintindihan nyo palalo kung paano gawin ang mga ito. So we have here a problem. Show that the DE 2xy plus 4x plus 3 times quantity dx plus the quantity of x squared plus 2y minus 5 dy is equal to 0 is exact and find the general solution of the ODE. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to determine m and n. Okay? So m is a function with dx. So in this particular differential equation, our m is this 2xy plus 4x plus 3. So we have here 2xy plus 4x plus 3. And our n is a function with dy. So this is our n. So this is x squared plus 2y minus 5. So in order to test if this given differential equation is exact, we are going to use this formula. Okay? So first, we are going to solve for partial derivative of m with respect to y. So that is equal to partial derivative of our m is 2xy plus 4x plus 3 with respect to y. Okay? So since this is a partial derivative of a function with respect to y, we are going to treat the variable x as a constant. Okay? So therefore, the partial derivative of 2xy, since 2 and x are constant, so we're going to factor that or ilabas natin siya. Then, partial derivative of y with respect to y is 1 plus the partial derivative of 4x with respect to y, since 4 and x are constant, so derivative of a constant is 0 plus derivative of 3 with respect to y. Yes, that's correct. That is also 0. So by simplifying, this is equal to 2x. So therefore, the partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to 2x. Next, we are going to solve for the partial derivative of n with respect to x. That is equal to the partial derivative of, so our n is x squared plus 2y minus 5 with respect to x. Since this is a partial derivative of a function with respect to x, so we are going to treat the variable y as a constant. Okay? So, we have here partial derivative of x squared with respect to x, that is 2x, correct? Next, partial derivative of 2y with respect to x, since 2 and y are constant, so the derivative of a constant is 0. Next, partial derivative of 5 with respect to x, that is also equal to 0. So therefore, by simplifying, this is equal to 2x. So the partial derivative of n with respect to x is equal to 2x. As you can see, the value of the partial derivative of n with respect to y and the value of the partial derivative of n with respect to x are equal. So therefore, we can say that the given differential equation is exact. Okay, next, we're going to find the general solution of this differential or exact differential equation. So we are going to use the formula partial derivative of f with respect to x is equal to m with variables. This is a function with variables x, y. Okay? And later, we are going to use also the formula of partial derivative of f with respect to y is equal to the function of n with variables x and y. So, eto po muna yung isosolve natin, mga boss. Okay? So, we have here partial derivative of f is equal with respect to x is equal to, so what is the value or what is our m? So, our m is a function with dx. So, eto po yung m natin, that is 2xy plus 4x plus 3. So, we are going to solve for the value of f. Okay? So, by cross multiplication, that is now partial derivative of f equals 2xy plus 4x plus 3 times the partial derivative of x. So, since we are looking for the value of f, we are going to integrate both sides of the equation. So, this is now equal to f equals, since this is the integral of the partial derivative of x, so we are going to treat the variable y as a constant. Okay? So, this is now equal to, so ilabas natin yung mga constants. So, this is 2y integral of x partial derivative of x plus 4 integral of x partial derivative of x plus 3 integral of the partial derivative of x. So, this is equal to 2y times, so what is the integral of x dx? So, that is equal to x squared over 2. Okay? Plus, so again, this is equal to 4 times integral of x, that is x squared over 2 plus 3 integral of the partial derivative of x, that is x. Then, we are going to add a constant. So, but we are going to add here the function of y. Okay? Bakit inilagay natin is f of y? So, we're going to discuss later. Pag na-simplify ko na to, bakit we are going to put here f of y instead of c. Okay? So, this is equal to, by simplifying, cancel out yung 2. This is na equal to x squared y. Okay? Plus 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. X squared plus 3x plus f of y. Okay? So, this is now the value of f. Ito na po yung value ng f. Bakit f of y? Kasi pag kinuha natin yung partial derivative nito with respect to x, ito yung magiging kalabasan nito. Because this is a function with variable y. Since sabi ko kanina, pag kinuha natin yung derivative nito with respect to x, we are going to treat the y variable as a constant. So, magiging 0 ito at babalik dito yung ating sagot pag kinuha natin yung partial derivative nito. Okay? So, yan yung rason kung bakit tayo naglagay ng f of y. Okay, yung next na isosolve naman natin is yung partial derivative of y with partial derivative of f with respect to y is equal to n. So, this is equal to the partial derivative of f with respect to y is equal to, so the value of n, so yung n natin dito is ito yung function with dy. So, ito yung ating n. So, we have x squared plus 2y minus 5. So, kunin lang natin yung value ng f. So, by cross multiplication, this is equal to the partial derivative of f equals x squared plus 2y minus 5 times the partial derivative of y. Then, we're going to integrate both equation or both sides of the equation. So, this is equal to f, or f equals, so since this is a partial derivative of y, we are going to treat the variable x as a constant. So, this will become x squared Okay, labas natin lahat ng constant sa integral. X squared integral of partial derivative of y plus 2 integral of y dy or partial derivative of y minus 5 integral of partial derivative of y. So by simplifying, this is equal to x squared y. Okay, because the integral of partial derivative of y is y plus 2 times, so the integral of y, that is partial derivative of y, that is y squared over 2 minus 5, so integral of partial derivative of y, that is y plus f of x. Okay, explain ko mamaya bakit nag-add ako dito ng f of x instead constant c. Okay, so by simplifying, this is now equal to x squared y plus, so makakancel, yung natira is y squared minus 5y plus f of x. Kasi pag kinuha natin yung partial derivative ng ating f with respect to y, okay, so we are going to treat the variable x as a constant. So babalik tayo sa ating original na function na x squared plus 2y minus 5. So, yung rason bakit nilagay natin is f of x. Kasi ito yung function na lahat ng variables is or gamit lang yung variable na x. So, this is a function of x. Okay? So, pag kinuha natin yung partial derivative nito, babalik tayo dito. Okay? Now, so we have here two values of f. Ito at saka ito. So, yung gagawin natin, since f ito at saka f ito, so, pwede natin silang ma-equate. Okay? So, equate lang natin yung dalawang f. Okay? Since f is equal to f, we can say that x squared, yung una nating f is x squared, ito yung unang value ng f natin. Okay? So, x squared y plus 2x squared plus 3x, okay, plus f of y. This is the first value of f. Okay. So, ito yung first value ng f. Sulat natin dito, equals. So, the second value of f natin, ito. Okay, this one. This is equal to x squared y plus y squared minus 5y plus f of x. Okay. So, eto na mga boss. In-equate na natin yung dalawang f. Okay? So, makikita nyo, pwede natin makancel ito. Okay? So, yung natira is we have 2x squared plus 3x plus f of y equals y squared minus 5y plus f of x. Okay? So, by inspection, so this is equal to your f of y. So, ano yung value ng f of y? So, this is a function with variables y. So, kung titingnan mo dito, ito yung mga functions with variable y. So, f of y is equal to y squared minus 5y. Okay? So, the value of f of x, okay, this is a function with variables x or with a variable x. So, kung titingnan mo dito, ito yung mga function na may variable na x. So, therefore, f of x is 2x squared plus 3x. Okay? So, in order to solve for the value of f, so you can use either of these two values of f. Okay? Pwede din ito, yung una nating value ng f, or pwede din ito. So, kahit saan man dyan yung gamitin nyo, you will arrive at the same answer. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mga boss. So, una, yung unang value ng f, yung gagamitin natin. Ito. So, yung unang value ng f natin is x squared y plus 2x squared plus 3x plus f of y. Okay? Okay, so ito yung unang value ng f natin. So, ang gagawin natin is, we're going to substitute yung value ng f of y dito. And replace c sa f. So, magiging x squared y plus 2x squared plus 3x plus, so f of y natin is y squared minus 5y equals c. Okay? Equals c. Now, by simplifying, we have, okay, so eto na pala, wala naman tayong similar terms, so hindi na natin pwedeng i-simplify. So this is now the value of, or the general solution of our exact ODE. Okay? So paano pag ginamit natin yung isang value ng f? Okay? Yung isang value ng f natin kanina mga boss, that is x squared y plus y squared minus 5y plus f of x. Yung gagawin natin is we're going to substitute the value of f of x and replace c to f. This is equal to x squared y plus y squared minus 5y plus, so ang f of x natin is 2x squared plus 3x equals c. So substitute natin or replace natin yung c for f. So, kung titingnan nyo mga boss, this equation is similar to this. Okay? So, kahit anong value ng f pa yung gamitin nyo, you will arrive at exactly similar general solution. So, I hope may natutunan kayo mga boss. Thank you for watching and God bless.